Okay, yeah, I know how to enter a draw, bitch.
Alright, come on, let's hit something. I gotta hit.
Let me start.
Enter for the 12s first, though.
Okay.
This shit isn't loading on my phone.
It isn't for me either. Okay.
Not even for the 12s.
Are you
Oh,
sure?
damn.
Yes, bitch. My password? Invalid password. Come on.
Oh, come on, just load.
Ready, bro? Brother, what? Assuming we're processing.
I hit 1 on DTLR or in Jimmy Jazz.
Okay, got 1 on DTLR.
What bot?
Raph.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay,
fuck.
enter.
Forgot to change fucking.
Alright,
So are these yellow ones the ones that are going for like $1,000?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh.
dude,
All right, Nike, come on, give me some type of look.
what happened to Kith? Did the Kith drop the 12s?
I don't think so.
Fully hit.
Oh my gosh. It's not
Oh,
good.
I actually hit on Nike. What?
For the 12s?
I think I got close.
Oh, man, I thought the Bravel did.
No, sorry. My
Okay.
bad. No. I got
That
him.
was about
Wow.
to scream.
Oh, wow. Okay.
Yo, I only have 10 seconds. Come on, open the app.
I never hit. Bitch,
Yeah,
focus. Yeah. I never hit. Shit.
Oh, I hit.
Shit.
I hit. What you call?
Sneakers?
Yeah.
Shit. Tay, did you hit?
Mine's still pending.
Yes,
What the fuck?
But if Pig doesn't hit.
That's
Yo, you know it's
Yo,
a fluke
that's
with me.
crazy.
Oh, I forgot.
You know it's
to
a
start
fluke with me and EJ
What
hit,
the
bro.
fuck? Yo, I'm sleeping around like. What?
I've hit.
This is on finish line.
That was a good sneeze.
I just checked out on. Chance again. Let's go.
Oh, man.
Oh, this dude's cards gain decline. Okay, delete. Could I?
I just checked out finish line on Code Ice. What's this?
Bro, I'm getting so. Yeah.
Finish line desktop. You know how that shit go.
Oh, shit.
Finish line
What
GS.
the hell? Why did I get declined?
Yes, just hit it.
Crazy, bro. Holy shit.
Okay.
Check that on RAV. Finish.
God,
Where's this at? Kids Foot Lock on RAV. And then
Q, I just hit so many.
Under 5? Nah.
nah. Kids Foot Locker GS.
I'll try to check that out for you in a second. Give me a second.
I'm going manual.
I need to get at least one.
Yeah, where?
Dick. Where's the PID for? Where did you post that? Stupid PID for
Come on,
just
bro. What's the deal? Kodai's doing something. Foot Locker Kids. Come on. Place my fucking order, bitch. What's the deal?
Come on! Load my info! Oh my gosh.
Shit, Dick just went live.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, pause, though.
Where's the speaker, Dick? Or is it the link?
Pause. There was an issue processing my payment. Suck my dick.
Come on, let's go. Go. Come on.
Why is it not loading the checkout page? Bro.
Yo, I can't even load check.
What's the laser you're running?
I'm going manual.
Where's Phantom at?
Yeah, Splash Force is stuck at add to cart.
Nice. What a
We
five.
are
Suck it.
counting turbulence. Oh, they put up a queue.
Are you serious? Oh, I'm throwing DSG?
God damn you.
Why are you doing DSG? I thought there was no. I just got through on DSG.
I don't know. I
also.
just, yeah.
Not gonna lie,
Check
Jay,
out.
I really hate you. Like, you know what I'm saying?
Like, yeah, how you get through? There's like, they shouldn't even
Like this. What is there anything to
Place
get
order.
through on?
putting
You know
in
what I'm saying? Like,
payment information. Yeah, so the product you're looking for is not available. Do you have a different link?
Come on.
I just use the one in there. Place order.
Hey, I got the charge.
I hate you.
Wait, what link you got?
Oh, check out.
Whatever.
Continue to pay.
When they I don't even know what it was. When it first opened, I clicked the link there. I think.
521.
I think somebody posted it. I don't know.
Yeah, I have that one, but it's not picking anything up.
It's just the
Thank you for your order, Uso. I only got
Place my
mental.
order.
I have
Place
3
my
GL.
fucking order. Come on, DSG. Come on, DSG.
Size 11 and a half. Let's go.
You want to be
I
me
got
so
a
bad.
12.
It's just
Oh.
good vibrations. Oh, DSG charge. Let's go.
Oh,
Wait, you got through EJ?
I got through. I went Manuel. Manuel.
I fucking love it.
Oh, what the fuck?
wait, Grade School's a cook, right?
Yeah.
Finish my checkout.
Yep.
So Frosty and y'all too. That's the cook now, huh?
Just restart your tasks.
Fuck yeah, shit.
That's the cook.
That's the cook.
This is them to everything.
F2. Oh, this guy made single-use cards. That makes sense.
Damn, I thought you were a broke boy, but you're actually just responsible. That's crazy.
I thought you were a broke boy.
I thought you were responsible.
Actually just responsible. That's crazy. It's crazy how that works.
Sorry, bro.
How you just
Come here.
Go check who's the way. He's so depressed here, bro.
Yo, Trey get some checkouts, and you can tell.
His voice gets all quiet. I ain't hitting shit.
So that makes sense. But I guess
That's so
the time
funny.
I was passing by, the other truck had left.
Damn, 385.
Cooketh.
Dude, I gotta go ship out shoes today.
Check that on Kids Foot Locker. What is this?
No, I got all the no, I got all the greens, but it just didn't log.
Nah, that's all you want. Me didn't even want the chew. You just want the green.
Just give me the greens.
Just the green.
Just the greens.
Champs.
I know Champs is going, yeah.
If anyone wants me to run them, I'll run them. On foot sites.
Relax, bro. Just because you hit a couple pairs, bro. Relax.
Yo, Trey, can you run me?
You hated it, bro. Yo.
Yo, Trey, can you run me?
Yes, I can. Send me a total.
You don't want him to run you.
Send me a, shut the fuck up, all y'all. Fuck you.
Relax, bro. Relax.
send
You're
me
feeling
a-
yourself too much.
Shut the fuck up, you bitch.
You're feeling yourself.
You heard him earlier.
Send
You know what I'm
me
saying, guy? I just want to, you know.
send me a
Yo, I'm
fucking-
quick reselling. I'm
Grab down.
Yo, I'm trying to get him some shoes. Shut the fuck up.
All of a sudden, oh, I got a heart on.
Yo, you know, I can
I
run for
started my
everybody. You know what I mean?
I said, yo, send me a
I restarted my task. I am alive.
Oh my god.
Fucking hate all y'all bitches. You're so dumb, bro.
I'm alive.
You didn't know? You didn't know?
Yeah, he did.
Oh my god.
Alright, well, I almost busted my ass. Great.
Yes.
Hey, bro, I sold my size 11 too early. Son of a bitch.
What'd you sell
Yeah,
for?
same. I'm just gonna flake on StockX.
Hey, chef. We're sneaker chef.
That's funny,
Check your
man.
card.
Bro. Oh my god, I just almost spit
Yeah,
my whole
Trey,
Kids Foot
Trey
Locker.
Long's brother's ass.
Run
Bro,
it.
oh, y'all heard that? Oh, y'all heard that?
Yes!
Now I'm thinking of what EJ said.
Yo. Do I put that
Put your ass
laptop?
in the
I fucking fell, bro. I was walking in my room,
Trey,
right?
what were
You
you
almost
doing?
fell with Pop
No,
Tart.
look, so look, I was walking in my room and like my trash can, like it's like one of those smaller ones. So I stepped.
What is your bed small, Trey? Get tight.
Fuck you.
Yo,
I hate it.
hey,
here, bro.
the pop tart in the trash can came as a set.
Yo, Trey,
All right,
It
so
came as a set.
I got no charge.
we're charged. Okay.
Ooh, go orders?
Yeah.
I see.
Yeah, they came as a set. Oh my god.
I fucking hate y'all. I hate y'all so much. I fucking shit here, bro. Ethan, what size is?
It's bad, bro. It's bad. Imagine
Or
not
not
copping
true.
12s because you were saving your money for off-white L's.
I think my cash out is broken.
Oh,
I don't
finish
use
line.
controls.
What is this?
What's a Toro?
Toru?
Let's see if Ethan
Hey, did it
pisses me off.
gong like all crazy?
Hmm?
Doesn't Toru like gong you?
Oh, yeah, I have it turned off.
Oh, you do? I love hearing that shit. It makes me happy.
Boom.
Because the sound is so, like,
Dude, it's not even that loud.
it's, I don't want to say what it is, because
What does it sound like?
Yeah,
y'all,
what does it sound like? Say it.
no, it's not. I was going to say the sound is
Sex.
What the fuck?
What is wrong with you?
I didn't say anything. What are you talking about?
Yo, my mic is muted the whole time.
Oh my god.
Why? What happened? All I heard was sex.
You said that.
Who was that?
Oh,
Ethan, did you cook toddlers?
Bro, I cooked.
Let's fucking go. Let's fucking
How many you
go.
Bro, so many.
Oh no.
Nah, send the screenshot. I need the screenshot.